Are you guys tired of trading time for money? But what if there was a way to earn money without sacrificing your time and your energy? That's where passive income comes in. Hello, my name is Rishi and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about how to establish passive income. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the beginner and advanced passive income strategies. So make sure you stick towards the end of the video. So let me start off by giving you a full disclosure about passive income opportunities. So biggest thing about passive income opportunities is having an active opportunity beforehand. A lot of people approach passive income opportunities without having a solid active income opportunity, which is where it could be detrimental to their income. So let me be honest with you. So don't even think about getting into passive income opportunities if you don't have a solid monthly recurring active income already established. I've seen a lot of people relying only on the passive income opportunities and do not even work for active income opportunities, which is a mistake. So let's get right into what exactly do you need to be able to establish a passive income opportunities. First of all, you need a good credit score. Having a good credit score is very important because it opens up more possibilities and you can explore into different options when it comes to passive income opportunities. The second thing you need is having access to capital. Now there's multiple ways you might have access to capital. You could have your own capital, your working capital that you bring in from your active income, or you can have access to other people's money or other people's capital, which I'm going to talk about in the next couple of videos. And the third thing is that you need to have a solid strategic plan and your numbers before you invest in any passive income opportunities. Now let's talk about the 3 top passive income opportunities that I think is good for beginners and advanced level. Number 1, rental income. Now if you're someone who has access to capital and would like to tap into real estate, you could actually leverage that capital towards buying a real estate or a single family or multifamily home or commercial estate if you're looking to leverage more capital and generating more rental income. Now if you're a beginner who doesn't have that much access to capital but would like to get into real estate and tap into rental market, then what you can do is get into Airbnb or rental arbitrage. Now let me explain what exactly that is. Airbnb and rental arbitrage are 2 models where you could start off with building more income without having to own the asset. Meaning you can have a long-term lease agreement with the homeowner to do business on their property. Advantage of having a long-term lease agreement with the homeowner is that you can have a cheaper monthly rental rates, and then you can go ahead and sublease or sub-rent that property to a different homeowner who's looking for properties to rent, or even put it on Airbnb to do business and generate more revenue for accommodating the visitors. Just to explain rental and Airbnb arbitrage model properly, you are getting a home from the homeowner at a cheaper rent per month by signing a long-term lease and then re-renting that property to a different homeowner or subleasing it so that you can make a cash flow profit on monthly rent. But anyone with more access to capital can definitely approach or tap into this and horizontally buy more properties and make more cash flow from month 1. Now I do definitely recommend you do your own research into these models to approach the right way. Now the second passive income opportunities that I think to make guaranteed returns is investing in tax liens and tax deeds. Meaning you are actually paying for someone not paying taxes on their house and you are actually making guaranteed return on your investment per year. Tax liens can cost you anywhere between $1,000 to $10,000 and you can make returns anywhere from 15% to 18% APY. Now I see a huge benefit in investing in tax lien is because if the homeowner fails to pay taxes, then you are the second owner on that house. Meaning that if the homeowner never pays taxes on the property, the government gives them specific redemption time to pay off the taxes, tax delinquencies, and if they fail to pay any taxes on their house, then you become the next homeowner on that property. So definitely look into that. Number 3, investing in startups. Now this is one of my favorite type of investments where you become your own bank. Meaning if you have access to capital, then you can lend that capital to startups or invest in startups in exchange for equity or profit share. Now the reason why I like this type of investment is because you can utilize that money towards building someone else's project and in return you're getting equity share in that project. You could do that with real estate or you could do that with any kind of tech startup. The key is becoming your own bank, meaning lending access to capital that you have to someone else who doesn't have. In real estate, it's called hard money lending. A hard money lender is someone like you and me who has access to a lot of capital, who is looking to invest in real estate projects in return for a percentage return on their investment per month. And we will definitely get in depth about this topic in the upcoming videos. Now, those are the 3 passive income opportunities that I personally utilize for myself to make the guaranteed return on investments. Now, one of my least favorite passive income opportunity is investing in an automation business. I feel like automation businesses is an unsustainable model, and I do think that there is a lot of promising in returns every month. I definitely stayed away from automation model because I lost a lot of money into investing into the wrong people or the wrong business. Now, not saying that it is the worst model, I would definitely recommend you do your own research into investing in any automation business. If you have the right connections and the right people in this automation business, you can definitely make passive income monthly revenue every month. I hope you guys like those 3 passive income opportunities that I personally use, and if you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And I do want to let you guys know that in the future coming videos, we're going to talk about OPC, which is other people's capital, and OPMs, other people's money, and how to leverage that towards having more access to 0% capital. So stay tuned, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below.